Hello guys, welcome to my channel Passion Cooking at Hermina'S Kitchen. So today we are going to make a very old recipe of my granny's, which is tomato vegetable. I'm sure you all are going to like this recipe. It's very easy. So let's begin. I've taken finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped tomato, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon bottle masala, little salt, sugar to taste, spring onion and finely chopped onion. So take a vessel, add around 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon of oil, add finely chopped onion. I've taken 2 onions and the spring onion finely chopped. Once you've added, you need to add salt. The reason why we are adding salt in the beginning, because salt helps the onion to cook faster and makes the onion very soft. Cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, onions are cooked nice and soft. Now you can add the finely chopped spring onion. Mix it well. Spring onion leaves doesn't take much time to cook, so just mix it well. And now we can add finely chopped capsicum. I have taken 1 capsicum. Lovely. It's mixed well. Now cover it for 2 minutes. After, as you can see, capsicum is cooked well. Now add the main ingredient, tomato. Again we have to do the same process for this. Cook the tomatoes very well, mix it well. After mixing it with the other ingredients, you have to cover it for 4 to 5 minutes because we need the tomatoes to cook very well. As you can see, the tomatoes, onion, capsicum and the spring onion is cooked very well. It's become nice and soft. Now you can add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Around 1.5 tablespoon of bottle masala. Guys, if you don't have bottle masala, you can add around 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well till the oil gets separated from the masala, because we need to cook the masala very well. We've got a very nice color. As you can see, it's cooked very well. Now add sugar to give it a sweet and sour taste. This is a very nice recipe, easy. I'm sure once you try making this, you're going to make it 2 to 3 times a month. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. After adding the vinegar, you can cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the oil is separated and it's cooked very well, and it's all ready. Guys, try making this. It's really a nice recipe and very tasty. And please subscribe, like and share my recipes. And thank you once again for all your love and support. Thank you.